My goal as the Fractional CMO is to make your marketing strategic, organised, supported and moving forward, not chaotic, confusing or stuck in the busy work. Here's how we get there together. Step 1, the discovery call. We talk through what's going on with your marketing, what's working, what's not, and some of the quick wins you can implement immediately. Step 2, the proposal. If you'd like to move forward, I put together a proposal that shows how I can support you, where I can fit within your team, and what you can expect. Step 3, audit and workshop. You give me access to your digital channels, if you trust me, so I can run a digital audit. We then sit down for a 2 to 3 hour workshop where I can dig deeper into your business, your offerings, and your audience. We map out current challenges, opportunities, and priorities we should be focusing on. This session informs your 6-month tactical plan. Step 4, your 6-month tactical plan. I turn everything into a practical, clear plan. Which channels we're using, who's doing what, timelines, budgets, and how we stay accountable. Step 5, ongoing leadership and oversight. I stay plugged in, guiding strategy, keeping delivery on track, and making sure the work actually leads to results, not just activity. If you're ready for more structure, direction, and senior marketing leadership in your business, let's start with a discovery call. It's the easiest way to explore what's possible and confirm whether I'm going to be the right fit for your organisation.